I will talk about how can you change username on your Roblox app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that to your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just go down here. So then you click here on settings. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on account info here. So then you come to this list, you just switch into open video here. So then all you have to do now, just come here to username, click in this sign. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to show for you it's like this here. So you need to have more thousand here of change your username. I have nothing, but if you have it, can you change it or just you pay it here to change your username? That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.